Okay guys, welcome back. Today we are going to end this div that we are creating. This div until now returned anything. What we want this div to return. Okay, let's think about what we want this div to return. The first thing we want to return is return, or let's come from the up. Return A, B, R2, R2, and what X. No, these are the things we want. Let's say, okay, we want them to return for now. These are the variable we want. Okay, let's run it. The A, the B, and the R2 score. And we also want the X. That's the different 8. Okay. And this is the thing we return. But we also wanted to print the plots for us. What we say? We say, let's copy the plot making code like plt.scatter show. We want this scatter. Let's print okay, scatter xy. For mathematics, what we put, what we put, course. Okay, now run it. Why does it not showing? Because I think we must copy that and paste it here. Now, as you can see, it's showing us the chart also. Okay, what if we want to give a chart and name? Okay, let's go and do this. This is the result. Let's just search it. How to give a name to chart in matplotlib. Title, okay. I think okay, this side I don't like it really well. Let's see how this side mp.random subplot plt.pcolor plt.title. I want this line of code. Let's put it here, plt.title. For title, what we put? We put course French, as you can see. Okay, now let's see for all the data we have what happened. This is the end of this lesson, I think. Okay, our definition is created and it's complete. Now we are gonna use it in the next lesson. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.